Looking for the best henna tattoo kits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 henna tattoo kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Pinkie Henna Tattoo Stickers. Pros: stick on henna tattoos that aren't messy and apply like stickers, but look like the real deal. Affordable, as you get 6 sheets with numerous designs on each. Customers say these tattoos are great for wearing to artistic or musical events and other special occasions. Cons: mixed opinions on their staying power. Some users say they last for days while others found that they peel off easily. Somewhat difficult to apply, plus some of the designs have tiny pieces that are especially challenging. Bottom line: realistic looking henna tattoo stickers that save you the potential mess of using henna paste. Although some designs are tiny, they are pretty and you get a lot for the price. At number 2. Terra Tattoos, temporary Henna-Inspired metallic tattoos. Pros: these temporary henna tattoos feature sticker-like application that is less messy than applying henna paste, yet they look authentic when applied correctly. Kit comes with 6 sheets of tattoos, over 75 attractive designs total. Metallic finish looks nice on any skin tone. Affordable. Cons: there's a learning curve to applying them perfectly, and they tend to peel wash off before you are ready to remove them. They have a strange smell. Bottom line: if you don't mind henna-looking tattoos without the henna paste, chances are you will love the looks of these press-on peel-off temporary tattoo stickers. At number 1. Easy Ink, premium quality temporary tattoo Inkful kit. Pros: an updated kit with improved application bottles that make them easy to hold and control. Includes tattoo stencils. 2 bottles of brown henna paste included. Henna doesn't contain harsh ingredients and is organically sourced. Waterproof tattoos will last as long as 7 days. Cons: color could be a bit more pigmented. Cost falls on the higher end of the spectrum, but you get a lot of supplies for the price. Bottom line: a comprehensive kit with items that make it easy to adorn yourself with henna tattoos. We love that the paste is made of quality ingredients with no added chemicals. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.